There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, the 6th of November. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather relatively quiet through early next week. Then rain chances begin to increase, and of course we'll be watching Eta, which will be in the Gulf of Mexico by early next week. Here we go. Upper look across the country this morning. Got a big trough coming into the Pacific Northwest. That's going to set up a big snowstorm for Montana in coming days. And a broad upper low west of the state, but the air's still fairly dry. Temperatures are mostly in the 50s this morning, although we've got 40s for Haleyville and Gadsden. Highs will be in the 70s today. Winter storm watch for much of Montana. Otherwise, things are quiet across the country. Severe weather outlook today. Tomorrow, notice the green over South Alabama. That means there could be a few isolated showers, maybe a clap of thunder, but again, nothing widespread there. And this is day 3, which is Sunday. No severe weather expected. Here's the precipitation for the next 7 days across the nation. Numbers coming up here, 1/2 to 1 inch for most spots. And again, we'll begin to see rain chances increasing a bit out there toward the end of next week. And eyes are on Eta, still a tropical depression. This will likely be a tropical storm very soon, back in the Caribbean. Here's the latest forecast track from the Hurricane Center. They bring it across Cuba Sunday, then it takes that hard left-hand turn into the Gulf and is expected to be well to the west of Tampa by late Tuesday night. And from there, again, there's a lot of uncertainty. This is the European ensemble output, and you can see most of the members kind of leave it in the Gulf and it either dissipates there or moves northeast toward either the Florida Panhandle or the peninsula. And most models keep this as a tropical storm. It might become a minimal hurricane over the southern Gulf, but the water, thankfully, is much, much cooler in the northern Gulf. So let's go through the GFS. This is the 06E run at 4 o'clock today. Big trough coming into the Pacific coast. A broad upper low that's over Texas and Louisiana. And for us today, much like yesterday, partly sunny with mid-70s. Tomorrow, maybe a few isolated showers for the southern half of the state, but most of Alabama dry. A mix of sun and clouds with mid-70s. Sunday, we're dry with upper 70s, and we note the GFS kind of an outlier to the right. It's got Eta a little to the southeast of Miami. Monday, we're still dry. Eta is south of Fort Myers. This is Tuesday. We might introduce a chance of isolated afternoon showers, nothing widespread. Eta in the eastern Gulf. Wednesday, the GFS depicts Eta near Tampa Bay, and again, we might see a few showers, not many if this verifies. And this is Thursday. A broad low is over North Florida. That would be Eta, south and east of Alabama. And if this verifies, we'd be on the drier side. And we go out a week from today. This is Friday the 13th, troughing to the west. The remnants of Eta moving up on the eastern coast of North Carolina, the Outer Banks. And again, that looks pretty dry. If this run verifies, it's not going to rain much at all here. This is the European valid Friday of next week. And again, it's got that weak surface low that's over Georgia. And that would suggest a decent chance of rain for the eastern side of the state. But both the European and the GFS at the moment suggesting Alabama could be on the drier side of Eta. But remember, there is just, this is voodoo out here. And until the system really gets its act together later today, confidence in the forecast will be low. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday the 15th. A zonal flow and a dry air mass. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 1 and 2 inches over the next 15 days. Highs stay in the 70s for a while, then dropping back in the upper 60s around the 16th of November if this verifies. And the CPC outlook for November 13th through the 19th. The west is cold, the east is relatively mild. And if this works out, temperatures here would be above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.